dead and dabbin dee dabbin dead and dabbin dee dabbin dead and dabbin dee dabbin dead. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Alice.
I'm Jenny.
And welcome to another episode of the Alice and Jenny Show. So today we're going to be doing the LED makeup challenge. Basically, the way it works is I'm going to turn all of the regular normal lights off and do colored lights. And with the color, it's going to be really hard for us to tell like what color makeup shit we're doing and if we're blended properly, and it's going to be a big reveal at the end.
Should be interesting.
Yeah. Without further ado, let's change the lights. Ta-da! Everything's red! We're ready. Left on red. Okay, let's do foundation first. Or wait, do you want to do primer or no?
Yeah, sure.
Just so you guys can tell, this is my light remote. It has all of the colors of the rainbow on here, but right now obviously it just looks like grayscale. So this is gonna be crazy. Yep. This part is, you have to kind of pay attention. I'm a little lucky because I've done this challenge before. You got to remember where you've blended and like where you've put stuff, because you're not going to be able to see.
I'll do one side at a time. You can't see shit.
It's so weird because it's the same. It looks the same. Mm-hmm. I have a new contour stick that's pretty bomb. You want to try it?
Mm-hmm. I don't usually use a stick, so God, this is all just this is new to me.
This is truly a challenge for Jenny. Okay, even in the red light, like I can tell that cheekbone snatched, honey. I don't know why I'm going like really fast too for some reason.
Because we can't see what we're doing?
Yeah, so I'm just kind of like blurp, 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 blurp. Pretty.
Because when you can see, you know like what the hell where to tap.
I think I did too much on my forehead. My forehead looks really dark. Red, dabba dee dabba dead, and dabba dee dabba dead, and dabba dee dabba dead. I have a blue house. Nope. I have a red house with a red window. Red is the color of all that I wear. Red are the streets and all the people too. I have a girlfriend and she is so red. Okay, that doesn't rhyme,
and that's so lame as hell.
I have some cream blush. Okay, so these are the Ritual Defeat cream blushes. Some of them are pretty pigmented and kind of interesting colors. So Jenny, I'm just gonna close my eyes and grab one, and now you could just grab one.
Pick a blush, any blush.
Pick a blush, any blush you want, bitch. Oh God, that's hard to read.
Ooh,
I can't see it.
They look the same.
Yeah, they do. Oh, it's not showing up at all.
She's got some hopefully rosy cheeks today. I don't know.
I have some powder, and it is so red.
It would be a hilarious move if you just like dumped some
oh my God,
color.
some loose pigment in there.
Yeah, and I wouldn't even know. And you could use your own powder, and you say, "Here, Jenny, try this one. This is new." Or
you're
something.
giving me some ideas, girl.
Next time, if anyone wants to create this challenge with their friend, add a bunch of fucking like red to this. They wouldn't even know.
Brow time. It's not going to be too crazy. I mean, we'll find out. I can't remember if doing brows is difficult.
Doing brows is difficult, period, for me, like, no matter what.
Even though we're using our normal colors, I feel like this is harder because it's dim, and I just feel like I'm making them darker and thicker than I normally do. Brows are did. Let's do eyeshadow. We're going to use a palette that I haven't used in a really long time. This is called the Sweet Paradise palette from Moira Cosmetics. I know that it's a rainbow palette, but I haven't used it in ages, so I don't remember the placement of any of the colors. And as you can see,
it looks kind of black and white.
The rules are going to be as follows. We need to use 4 shades in order to make sure that this is like a pretty just a glam look. One of those needs to be a shimmer, like a darker kind of like outer corner, and then a lower lash.
Yeah, definitely.
And you can put the shimmer wherever you feel like it, but there needs to be at least one shimmer. Okay, let's do crease color first. Transition. But Jenny's doing this one, I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, this is gonna be a hot mess. I can't tell if it's blended.
Remember how you said that we're going kind of fast?
Yeah.
Faster than usual? I'm still
I feel like
in that mode.
I'm going. Why was this wet? I'm gonna do this one. It just looks like a dark. It looks like a dark gray or like a brown.
I want to do like a darker
It's
shade
called
also.
Summer Nights. So
Or maybe something like if
This
this
would
was like
be-
a hot pink.
I'm pretty sure that there is a hot pink in here. I just don't know where it is.
Damn it! I can't tell.
At this point, I feel so lost. It's so hard to remember what shade you dipped into. I think I'm ready to move on to my third color. What you're doing is actually looking really cute.
I thought I wanted to try something different.
I like that a lot. I like that shape.
I do
that
know
shape
how
a
to
lot.
like blow it out because I don't know what color I'm
Yeah.
using. God damn it!
Yeah. Are you going
Looking really close at it does not.
Are you going in with your third color? Have you done your third color yet?
I've used 3 colors.
I'm gonna go in with my third color. This lighting has made me lose all concept of being able to do makeup.
I'm just gonna smoke this out. Okay, so how many shadows are you using?
I'm still on my third.
Oh, okay.
I'm struggling. I can't get it to blend, and I think I've used too dark of shades. Like it's just too dark. I swear I'm using.
Alice,
black.
mine isn't blending either.
Is it
I
this
need-
palette? This is gonna be the muddiest ass mess that anyone's ever seen.
All right, that's sparkly. There we go. Oh, well, at least I need more on my lower lash, don't I? How do
Do you hear music?
get up in there?
I hear music. Is my neighbor practicing the recorder again? They do this every day. I'm not kidding. But like at 9 at night, I'm gonna do Over the Moon for my shimmer. Is that what you used?
I used Delicious.
That's your shimmer, honey. That's all she wrote.
That's all she wrote.
Oh, it's so bad. Okay. We're done with eyeshadow, bitch, and we definitely deserve a drink.
Cheers.
I'm gonna just do a black winged eyeliner at this point, just because this is what I need to do. Am I going insane, or do you hear a flute?
I do not hear a flute. I feel like I might hear something.
Do you hear it? Do you recognize it?
Oh my god. It's my alarm, y'all. Nobody's playing the flute. Oh my god. That was
The dumbassery. The dumbassery of it all. Waterline eyeliners. Just fucking pick one. Grab.
Am I looking or?
You can look. I mean, just no, don't look. But also, I guess it doesn't really matter because it's very hard to see.
How do I know if it's on?
I don't know, man. God, I can't even see the glue practically.
I have a crumb of some kind on my lash. Powder blush and
So
highlight.
we have the I'm surprised that it didn't break. I have these new Pixie palettes that I just got in the mail, and I did kind of, look at them and whatnot when I received them, but I have no recollection. So let's just each take one. I have Honey Nectar, and you have
Sugar Blossom.
I'm pretty sure that the darker one is Contour. Oh, I gouged it a little bit.
You did.
There's 2 highlighters, and then I do believe that that's a blush. Let's do blush first. I literally don't see anything. And so I'm just adding and
Because
adding
it's
and
like
adding.
it's probably pink-ish pigments that look like,
Red. I mean, she's glowing.
Is she?
She's glowing.
I can barely tell if I'm glowing. some more, add some more.
Yes, mama.
You're going all out. You're gonna look like a damn clown. It's like, I don't know what color this is.
I know.
What I put on before.
It's gonna be a hot
Who
mess.
knows?
Last step is gonna be lips, which can make or break the look. We're gonna grab one liner and one lip product at random.
Am I looking? How about?
I mean, you can't really tell what they look like, so I feel like just grab one. And a lip product. And then I'm gonna grab.
Don't look. Look, goddammit.
There's my liner, and there's my lip product. Oh, I can't see it.
Oh shit, this needs a sharpener. It's dark!
Is it? I'm jealous, because mine's so light I can't see it.
Oh! It's gonna look crazy.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
You see how light that is? Oh my god, it looks like concealer.
Are you kidding? Look at mine. It's on, bro. It's on here.
Oh my god. Are we ready? I think we're ready. Let's
Sure.
do some setting spray to lock it all in.
We want this to last all night.
I'm red and dabbing dee dabbing dead and dabbing dee dabbing dead and dabbing dee dabbing dead. Let's change the lights. Look.
Yeah.
Okay,
Go.
let's look.
Oh shit.
Oh, she kind of matched, huh? What happened to my forehead?
Oh my god.
There's cream blush on my forehead.
I have blush right here.
We clearly used a dirty brush for something. But wow, look at our eyeshadow.
Yeah. This is
beautiful.
I thought I was using like a nice skin colored transition color. It turns out to be bright pink.
Bright ass hot
and then
pink.
like purple. Like this is kind of cute.
Oh.
I'll recreate this look when I can actually see.
This was the palette, you guys. Oh my god. What we dipped into our transitions. This is what we use for our transitions, which I mean that makes sense.
Yeah.
But
that looked like this. That's what I was thinking I was using.
I remember using that blue. I think I used Over the Moon.
Damn.
Wow. And then I think I did use Cool Waves.
This is the most hideous lip I've ever seen in my life.
Are you serious? I love that lip. That looks so good.
Not with this. Not with it.
What do you think of my lip? How did I end up picking the perfect like orange palette? I want to recreate these looks. We look really fucking good.
Oh my gosh, cheers to this
Cheers
look.
to us. And
Cheers for you guys
cheers to you guys.
sticking through this entire thing. All of these shenanigans. You really are troopers.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell of notifications. And we'll see you next week in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.